Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box to share with you, and it is Lookfantastic and Liz Earle. This box was released around 2 weeks ago and it's still available on the Lookfantastic website. This box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. The cost of the box is £39. It has a value of £125 and contains 7 Liz Earle beauty products. If you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, you're able to have £5 off if you use code LizSubs at checkout. I'll pop a link to this box down in my description, as well as any other offers Lookfantastic have. Plus, they've given me a code. Can't be used against these boxes, but can be used on anything on their website, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to receive up to 25% discount off your shop. Sometimes it's 5%, sometimes it is 25%, so that's a permanent code, so that can be used anytime, but unfortunately not on their beauty boxes. But you'll find all that down below, and so underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Let's get on to open this up. So we have a card, and it details everything about the products, and it has a QR code there. I'm able to give you some information about the products, but there is a dedicated Liz Earle magazine. So screenshot the QR code there if you want to know more before buying the box maybe. But yeah, let's start off with number 1. Now, besides the hot cloth cleansers, I don't think I've ever tried anything else from Liz Earle before, so this is completely new to me. It's a day cream, a probiotic balancing day cream, boosts and strengthens skin's moisture barrier for visibly healthier looking skin. The brand is effective, ethical and kind, naturally active ingredients, and it's also cruelty free, and there's 50 mils there. So it's a day cream, an ultra gentle day cream. That feels really nice. It's not super thick, and yeah, I put quite a bit on my hand there, so you only need a tiny bit. But oh, that feels so soft. Very subtle scent. Oh, that feels so nice now that it's all blended into my skin. Yeah, that feels gorgeous. So what is it? A probiotic balancing cream. This ultra gentle lightweight day cream deeply hydrates, leaving even the driest skin looking balanced, clearer and healthier. And it just goes on to tell you how to use it. Use it in the morning, pat a small amount of cream onto cleansed skin, then gently massage onto your face. So that's the first item in the box. Then we got the night cream to go with it. This is the Probiotic Balancing Night Cream, and it just says here, replenishes and strengthens skin moisture barrier for visibly healthy looking skin. Yeah, exactly the same here. So what is different? Yeah, let's read about it first. So what makes this different? This gentle night cream helps revive stressed skin whilst you sleep, leaving dry skin looking radiant by morning. And it just says apply at night after cleansing and then gently pat in. Oh, that feels thicker. That feels thicker and more like a gorgeous luxury body cream, you know? That one dried down really quickly. It's not tacky, it's absorbed really nicely. This one would take a little bit more time, but it's not resting on my skin. You just need a couple more minutes for it to absorb before you apply anything else on top, if you were to, that is. But yeah, so we got a night cream there. Maybe this is what I can smell. It's a candle. This is rose and ginger, and I have to say those are 2 of my non-favourite smells. Does that make sense? My non-favourite smells. Yeah. Don't like rose, not keen on ginger. Funnily enough, together they're not too bad. Oh, how weird. I'm just so weird. That is not too bad, actually. No, not too bad at all. If any of you have smelt this candle before, please confirm down in the comments that it is not, well, if you think so as well, that it's not a heavily fragrance ginger and rosy smell. It is a scent, obviously, but no, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Still don't know whether I would actually burn that though. But yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. We're just different, aren't we? But yeah, feel relaxed with this delicately spiced and floral scented candle that creates an uplifting ambience and brighter home. And it just says always trim the wick of your candle before lighting and burn for 2 to 4 hours at a time. So there you go. So we got a multi-purpose beauty balm. Instantly nourishes dry areas for softer feeling skin. Naturally active ingredients, olive fruit oil, shea butter and sweet almond oil. There's 11 mils there. This multi-purpose non-sticky balm nourishes parched skin such as lips, hands, elbows and anywhere needing moisture. It's a little pot. I'm not going to put my fingers in there because my nails are getting there first and then it'll be stuck in my nails. You really, if you've got nails like me, you really need to have like a little spoon or a spatula. I'm smelling it, there's no smell. And it just goes on to telling you what I've just said, as well as massage onto areas of dry skin on your face or body, or apply to unruly brows or flyaway hairs to smooth. It's that. Then we have got a Superskin Alt-Retinol skin paste, a natural alternative to retinol. It contains Biden's, pilosa extract, Kilgelia and shea butter, if I've said that right. And there's 15 mils there. So a natural alternative to retinol. Okay, smooths and visibly transforms the appearance of skin. The overnight paste leaves skin feeling more supple and plumped. Use 2 to 3 times a week. In the evenings, apply a thin layer onto your face overnight, avoiding the eye area. So I'm assuming you'd use this then before the night cream. Oh, that is quite a thick paste. The moisturiser, I'm going to have to... Oh my gosh, that is like a balm. It is literally like a... Oh, it feels so nice though. It is a balm. Oh, that does have a smell. It's not strong. It is super, super faint, but it smells like grass or flowers, but the stalks, not the actual flower. You know, like it's got a garden smell, but not a flower smell, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to see where in the routine would I use this then. I'll have to have a look online. So there's that. Then I've tried this and this is gorgeous. This is the Cleanse and Glow Transforming Gel Cleanser. Melts away impurities to instantly brighten skin and minimises the look of pores. And it contains black bee honey, acerola cherry and elderberry oil. And we've got a sample there. There's 10 mils. Deeply cleansing, this melting formula transforms from a gel enriched with natural micelles into an oil to effortlessly remove SPF. Warm a grape size amount between your hands to melt the gel into oil and massage onto dry skin. So there's that. And then lastly then, we've got a Cleanse and Polish, the original starter kit. So we've got the hot cloth cleanser, which contains cocoa butter and eucalyptus, and there's a muslin cloth as well. This is gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. So many dupes around, namely the Lacura. Lacura has done a few Liz Earle dupes. So you got the muslin cloth there. And, ooh, what have we got here? We've got 30 mils. So a really nice size to try a good few times to see if it suits your skin, if you haven't already tried it. So it's enriched with cocoa butter to soften, smooth and moisturise. This cream deeply cleanses to instantly remove makeup. Use daily, morning and night with 1 to 2 pumps on your palm. Use hot water on the cloth to polish off. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a rose and ginger candle, a Pro-Biotic balancing night cream, a Pro-Biotic balancing day cream, a multi-purpose beauty balm, Superskin Alternative Retinol Skin Paste, a Cleanse and Glow Gel Cleanser, and lastly, a Cleanse and Polish Starter Kit. 7 items in all. The cost of the box is £39. It has a value of £125, I think. I think it's £125. And if you are a subscriber, then you can have £5 off if you use code LizSubs. Yeah, there's some really lovely things in there, but I think I will be passing this on. As much as I love candles, I'm obsessed with candles, I don't think I would actually gravitate towards it then if I wanted to light some candles. So I'm going to save that and pass that on to someone as a gift. But yeah, these 2 creams are lovely. Really good sizes as well. You've got day cream and night cream. They both felt amazing on my skin. I've tried the hot cloth cleanser before, really like it. I've tried the Glow Cleanser. I prefer this on my skin, so I'm really happy to have that, even though it is tiny. It's 10 mils, so it's not going to last long, but I suppose they had to put a few little samples in there just to bump it up a bit. But yeah, this is intriguing, this alternative retinol skin paste. As I said, I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. And a multi-purpose balm, always handy to have in the house. So yeah, overall, I do think it's a really nice box. Besides the candle. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Have you bought it for yourself or bought it as a gift for someone? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care. Bye.